Hey kiddos! Today on Art with Miss Quisler, I'm going to show you how I made this origami fortune teller. Let's go! I'm starting out with this square piece of origami paper, and I'm going to flip it so the color is on the back and do a triangle fold like this. Then I open it back up and fold another triangle the opposite way. Next, I'm going to open it again and fold all of the corners into the center like this. Now I'm going to flip the whole thing over, and again I'm going to fold each corner into the middle. Okay, before I open up my fortune teller, I have to make a couple of creases. So I'm going to fold it in half like this and make a nice crease. Open it up and fold it in half the other way and make a crease. And now I'm ready to sneak my fingers into these little pockets on the bottom so that I can open up my fortune teller like this. On the outside here is where some kids like to write numbers or letters or colors. And you can also write something on the inside here. And then in these flaps, on these triangle spaces, is where kids like to write their fortunes. So you could try to predict something that's going to happen in someone's future, or just write some nice things people might want to hear. There it is, friends, an origami fortune teller. Please share the artwork you're making at home. Happy arting, everyone.